Hello everyone, and today the marketing software channel is back to introduce to everyone a method that helps you manage thousands of Facebook accounts at the same time. That's how I use software to help me manage thousands of Facebook accounts at the same time. The first interface is the account management section. This section helps us manage all the accounts we own. As you can see on the screen here, I own 1,459 Facebook accounts. Next is the account interaction section. The account interaction section helps us operate Facebook accounts like a real user, such as personal Facebook account interactions like read notifications, see comments, or watch videos or reviews. This friend interaction section interacts with friends, such as liking posts, then making friends, then viewing information, or the interaction section in group up. You can join the group and like this post, like this comment, or comment on any post and other actions. In addition, there are also actions related to the fan page, such as liking the fan page or following, or liking a post, depending on each person. If you like an action, click here. Those are all Facebook's interactive actions like a real user. First, I choose the interaction script that I set up myself. Then I choose my Facebook account. Once I have selected my Facebook account, I will activate all of these Facebook accounts, and they will operate according to my and ever I own script. Click Start to start and everyone will see the results.